Right, welcome back. Let's do question 3, 2, 1. In the diagram below, angle DCP is equal to alpha. This is the angle here, which is equal to alpha. AC is equal to H units, and then ACP, angle ACP is equal to theta. This whole angle ACP is equal to theta. You can see that this whole angle here is equal to theta. Right. Determine the size of angle ACD, this angle, in terms of theta and alpha. So we can see that if you say alpha plus angle ACD, we're going to get what? Angle theta. So we can say, given that alpha plus angle ACD is equal to angle theta. So angle ACD is equal to theta minus alpha. This angle here is theta minus alpha.